Hello, this is Derek Neiding from Razorleaf Corporation. Thank you for taking some time to learn more about Clover. Recently, Razorleaf issued a number of press releases related to our Clover brand, as well as Clover-based integration products. The reception to these announcements has been incredible. We've had a lot of great conversations with our clients, and we've answered a lot of their questions. With that, we wanted to take a few minutes to discuss the Clover brand. We wanted to share with you our answers to 3 common questions that we get related to Clover. First of all, what is Clover? What kind of things does Clover include? And finally, what is the purpose of each of the components of Clover? To start with, what is Clover? Simply put, Clover is a brand from Razorleaf that encompasses our tools and utilities for system connections. Clover allows us to do system integrations. Basically, we use Clover to connect System A to System B. Clover also has tools related to data extraction and data load. In cases where the data integration is not continuous, but more like a one-time data extraction or data load, Clover has tools that can help with this. As you see, the Clover brand includes a number of things. This slide shows the breadth of the Clover brand and how different Clover modules work together, as well as how they work with other commercial systems. Let's go through and describe each one of these. We'll start with the Clover migration utilities. Razorleaf has been in business for over 16 years, and during that time, we've done hundreds of data migrations. We've literally exported and imported hundreds of millions of records of data from a variety of systems. The Clover migration utilities are the commercialization of these tools. So when a client asks us to execute a data import or data export, we can leverage the Clover migration utilities to make that process faster and more accurate. Next, we have Clover plugins. Clover plugins are endpoint connectors. An endpoint is some business system, and a Clover plugin is the connector that allows Clover to talk to that system. So for example, Razorleaf recently announced Clover-based solutions for SolidWorks PDM Professional, Innovia's 3D Experience platform, SAP, Aris, NetSuite, and Salesforce. These solutions utilize Clover plugins to connect to their respective systems and to do the hard work. While the Clover Orchestration Server is the main consumer of these plugins, in some cases these plugins may be used as part of a data export or import. So a plugin might be used alongside the Clover migration utilities. Additionally, there may be cases where a plugin is a good fit to use with another commercial middleware product. Next, let's talk about the Clover Orchestration Server. The Clover Orchestration Server is the job management component of Clover. The Orchestration Server is responsible for receiving jobs and invoking the correct plugin. In some cases, a given integration may need to execute a number of plugins in a specific order. The Orchestration Server receives the job and then executes these plugins in the defined order, and in some cases may even pass data from one plugin onto the next. The Clover Orchestration Server also provides a user interface for job management, as well as plugin configuration. And lastly, the Clover Orchestration Server can run on-premises or on cloud, depending on your specific integration needs. Finally, let's talk about Clover middleware utilities. Clover middleware utilities are tools that extend, enhance, or improve commercial middleware. In some cases, our clients already have an existing commercial middleware solution like Jitterbit or BizTalk or MuleSoft. While all of these middleware solutions are very powerful, there are cases where an integration could be easier to build, more reliable, or more capable with some middleware enhancements. That's the purpose of Clover middleware utilities. Clover middleware utilities provide some of these enhancements on top of commercial middleware solutions. When you use Clover middleware utilities along with your existing middleware to build your solution, your time to completion, solution capabilities, and solution reliability will be greatly increased. I hope this overview of Clover's brand helps you to understand what Clover is and how you might use it within your organization. If you have a data integration need, I hope you'll consider Clover. Whether that need is for a one-time bulk export or bulk import, or maybe you're looking to build a point-to-point solution to connect one business system to another. Possibly you're looking for a much more robust integration that will need job management, prioritization, and orchestration. Or maybe you're just looking for some enhancements on top of your existing middleware product. In any case, we believe that Clover can help. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Clover. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me or visit our website.